Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Shapr3D app in Windows, then please watch this video. So my first catch for installing any application is to search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Okay, we'll search for Shapr3D app here because this is the safest platform to download any application. Okay, mostly you will find it here, but if we do not, then we can check online, but we have it here. So simply click on get, and it will need a while to download and install this, so we can wait. Meanwhile, I'll show you the other method to do that. So you can search for Shapr3D on your browser, and then you can go to this CAD designing website. Okay, and then you can go to the products panel, and you can simply click on start modeling and then download for Windows. So one is the option to download it from the Microsoft Store, and the other one is a downloadable file. Click on save as, and then we'll save it. The downloader will open it here, and then we will right click on it and then select open. Okay, so this is the second method, but as you can see, it's a very heavy file. It's 1.19 GB. It will need time, and when you install it through the Microsoft Store, all you need to do is click on that button. Everything else will be done except for logging in into the account. But when you're installing it from it, you have to click on the install button, and it needs the same capabilities. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.